Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix sound or audio issues in Grounded 2 game. So let's jump to the solutions. So here follow the steps to fix sound problem in Grounded 2. On your PC, click on Windows icon and then click on Settings icon. Click on System, Sound, Advanced, More Sound Settings. Click your default device, for example speakers, and select Properties. Go to Spatial Sound tab, click the drop down box and select Off. Then click on Apply and then OK. If Spatial Sound is already set to off, then select Windows Sonic for headphones instead. Now go to Enhancement tab, check mark Loudness Equalization and then click on Apply and then OK. Now relaunch Grounded 2 and check. If you are using Bluetooth headphone, then here follow these steps. Right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select Show Bluetooth devices. Scroll to the bottom and select More devices and printer settings. Right click your headphones and select Properties. Now go to Services tab and check Hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device. Then hit on Apply. Now check if it solves your issue or not. Third solution is to make sure your sound level in game is set to 100%. Look for audio settings within the Grounded 2 game menu and ensure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Additionally, if you are using headphones, you may like to try using speakers to see if any sounds play. Fourth solution is to disconnect additional peripherals devices. Your sound settings can be altered by additional peripherals. So disconnect any peripheral devices that are not necessary, such as USB devices, camera, phone, etc. Fifth solution is to set default sound device. Click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and test it for any improvement. Sixth solution is to update audio driver. If still your problem is not solved, then open Device Manager and expand the sound, video and game controllers. Right click on your audio device and click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers and wait for the process to be completed. After updating the audio driver, now launch the game and check if sound or audio issues has been fixed or not. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.